Shut up.
Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
He's a crackhead, man.
Do something.
Why?
I'll say it to his face.
No, for real.
So?
My brother acts like that when he's on fucking meth.
So?
He's on meth! And now I want to take my pants off because this is like a pants off. Are you recording this? What the fuck?
I'm bored.
Hey, here's a white boy that dances.
Okay then.
Anyways.
My battery's dying. Dance! Dance!
Him, not me. How exactly it should be right on home.
Run, bitch, run! Fall! Fall!
Grass.
Fall!
I don't want to sit in the grass. This grass is
You're supposed to fall, yo.
Because I can't sit.